Okay, I am just getting set up here. I am going to review my color charts. So, this is one page. I think this is the first time I've ever really shown these with the colors on them. When you purchase my color charts on Etsy, and I will try to remember to put the link below. If I don't, somebody please ask for it, and I will tie it in. You get 7 pages of colors listed like this. So everything is going off the Prismacolors. So like the Faber-Castell Polychromos, the closest thing to chestnut in the Premier Prismacolors is going to be 169 Cadet Mortram. Okay? Marco Raffine really doesn't have an equivalent to it. The Marco Renoirs would be number 45, even though you can tell that's just a little bit lighter. So that's what I've done with all these colors. I don't have these pencils, so I could not fill in the colors. I got that list from a friend that went through and did that for me. Okay, now I've got an extra row here. I could put in the Crayola pencils, or I could even write Crayola right here and put them along here. Okay? The thing is, and this comes to you without the color, but with all these names already on there. Okay? So it comes with everything except the colored circles. So now the way I would add to this, I just got these Castle Art pencils. Here's my swatches I made. For instance, this lavender. Lavender light is equivalent to what? So I would take it and lay it down here, and look, it's close to the regular lavender on the Prismacolor. So then I would take whatever I used for my circles, and I would go over to here in the same row. I would write Lavender Light 035, and then I would grab that pencil and color that circle. Okay? That's how easy it is to use my charts. Then I would go to the next color. Okay? Regular lavender. What is that close to? That's actually pretty close to the lilac. So same thing. And it's even closer to this one. I would come over here, write the number, and do a circle with lilac. Now as you keep going, you're going to find there are colors that aren't there. And that's where you can either go down to the bottom, make a circle, and just put extras, or leave it off completely. You know, that's totally up to you. But this is where I match up and see, like, it's kind of there, but it's a whole lot lighter. Okay? And then if I look over here, I go, well, it's kind of close to that. So maybe it's that, but a little darker. So you do have to kind of finagle with your colors, but that's how you're going to use this color chart. Find out what it's close to and go put it in the right area. All right? So that's why a lot of people don't mess with these, because it takes so long to get all your equivalents done. But like I said, the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brands here are done for you. All you have to do is color them in. Let's say you don't have those colors, you don't ever intend to have those colors. White it out, which you're not going to ever get, and don't worry about it. Because at this point, I would say don't buy the Marco Raffines. They're kind of scratchy, and I would skip and go to the Marco Renoirs. So in that case, if I was never going to get these, I could white this out lay it on my printer, print it again, and then just put a different color in here. So that's how you can adapt this even if you don't have those colors. And again, there are 7 pages of colors that I've done this way. And just put your colors back and forth until you find what it's close to. And you'll see here I had 2 different colors in the Marco Renoir. This one was lighter and that one was duller. So I put them both there. That way, if I do happen to watch a video or somebody recommends a color, and let's say they're using the Rembrandt, which I don't have, but they're saying to use number 36 or 38, I can go over here and know that I can use one of these out of a different brand and be getting close to what they've got. So that's where your color chart's going to come in handy, even if you don't have those colors. All right? But again, I did leave a row. You could even take a ruler, put a line right through there, and make this into 2 rows. It's just you're going to have to write little bitty to be able to scrunch 2 colors in there. Okay? But, I mean, you can do it. So anyway, that is what I have on my Etsy on the color charts. Other thing I have on Etsy is these blank. You get 2 of these along with 200 blank swatches, and it's free shipping. So you get these blank, already hole punched, ready to go, and 2 of these. But yeah, you'll get 200 papers and then 2 of these. So if you've got sets like 75 or 100, you just need to order the 200 set. If you've got more, I do sell them in 400s. I had somebody order, I think it was 1,000 once, is the most I've sold to one person, and they had a lot of pencils, and they just didn't want to take the time to sit and cut out 1,000 of these little things and then hole punch all of them, because I do sit and do that by hand. I've got a cutting scrapbooking thing that I use, but it's not done by some big machine or something. So anyway, if you're interested in that, that's on my Etsy. We're just kind of reviewing some tools and stuff today. This is a ruler that we found in Mom's roll top when she passed. It says IBM on it. So that's why it's got the grids and all the different shapes. You've seen me use this shape when I'm doing my color swatches. You just saw me use the circle when I was doing the conversion chart. I use this shape sometimes in the very back if I'm blending colors and I want to add, because usually there's extras on the back of all my swatch charts things here. And I will just use that to actually blend some colors, and then I'll write the colors' names. So that works good. So these, I don't know that you would find one exactly like this, but you can buy rulers like this. I believe they are called architect rulers or flowcharting templates, and you can get them at the craft stores in with the drafting supplies. Okay, I know Michael's used to carry one that was similar. I know you can also look on Amazon. No, I don't get any cut for saying names of any of those places. But so anyway, so that's good. Another thing I haven't mentioned in a while are these cutting boards. These are from the Dollar Tree, and it comes in a 2-pack. Now, let me tell you, you can cut these to fit the book, and I put it behind the page that I'm coloring so that it doesn't indent into that next page. All right, need something between your pages. I will tell you though, Dollar Tree is no longer Dollar Tree. Ours have all gone to $1.25, and then some of them have already gone up higher than that. Their plans are to go higher in the new year, and they have said that it will be up to like $5 or $7. So they're no longer a Dollar Tree, just like Family Dollar is not, and General Dollar is not. They're all going up. So it just is what it is. So I believe I have shown you recently about the color wheel that I love to use. It's got the little holes around there. You can do a search on color wheels in my channel if you've not seen this before, and I explain exactly how to use it. So that's a good thing. I think that's really it for right now. So shorter video than usual, but if you've hung on with me through it, thank you. Got any questions on any tools? Let me know. I have monetized my YouTube, so I do get just a little bit off each video that you sit through the whole thing. Or if you just play it and walk away and do something and come back, that's cool with me. But the thing is, I want to know what you want to know. What is it that you would like reviewed that I might have or that I might be able to get and explain to you before you put out the money on it? Okay? So that's why there's a comment section below. Go down there and leave me a comment. And I do read all comments, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. All right? All right, thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in a few days. Oh, this is still current item at Joann Fabrics. It is the rainbow. It is put out by, I want to say EK Success. I'm looking because I know it says it somewhere. Oh, I don't see it. But anyway, there's the information. Now, somebody at one point said they had one of these that was big. If anybody ever sees a big one, oh my gosh, tell me where. Because I would like one of these in a much larger size. But yeah, you can Google this, you can Amazon it, you can Joann Fabrics. They all have it. Okay, all three places you'll find it. Okay, so that's it. Leave me comments. We'll talk to you later. Bye.